Hi, this is Julia C. Welcome to 408 Home Alone. On the 6th of each month, we're using Redfin's data to share with you the new listing, the total active inventory, the pending sale, which is tell us the demand, and then of course the price. Before we do that, this week California Association of Realtor has this 2026 economic and housing market forecast. So I'm going to just quickly look at the couple slides so you know what is going on in 2026, what they think. So in US economic outlook, they believe the US GDP will be around 1.1 in 2025 end of the year, and non-farm job growth will be just around 0.5%. Unemployment rate will be 4.4. CPI is 2, which is lower than last year. And then the real disposable income and percentage of change will be 2.5, which is higher than 2024. So that's like overall economic outlook. I'm not going to go into each detail, but I'm going to go all the way to the end, talking about the California housing market outlook. So this is all for the last 10 years forecast. Um, for the single family home for the 2026, the number of homes sale will be 274,000 home, will be higher than 2025. That would be around 2% more. And then the price, median price, they expect a 905,000, which is also 3.6% higher than the previous year. And then the affordable index just about 18%, which is just 1% better than 2026. And then 2025, I mean, and then 30 years mortgage rate, probably around 6%. They think 2025 is about 6.6. So we'll see if that's correct. If they are correct, that means the number of home sale will be more and price will be higher for 2026. So if you are in the market, you might want to thinking about buying. Probably it's better to buy now than wait until 2026. Okay, so let's go to Redfin and look at the weekly housing market data update. The data is up to um, September 28, which is just last week. And this blue, or I would say blue line, is for 2025. The yellow one, 2024. The red one is for 2023. And this is Alameda. This is what you see the chart here as a new listing. As you can see, the new listing is picking up from the trend. So how about the overall active inventory, like total listing, including the one that's not sell yet? So overall listing is dropping at this point. It's like flattened out, but it has been trending down. And then the pending sale will kind of give us the demand, the buyer. Are they making offer? Just waiting for the seller to I mean, the seller accept the offer just for the buyer to waiting to get the loan. So that's they already make an offer and accept the offer. So this is show us the demand. So if you can see the line here, it's pretty much flat since June. So for Alameda, not much change for the demand. And overall, median sale price, it's up and down. So it's up a couple of weeks ago and now down a little bit. So it's the lowest compared to the last 2 years. And that's Alameda. Let's look at the Contra Costa new listing. Also, kind of like flat here, like up a little bit, down a little bit since June. And overall inventory trending down, but we have the highest inventory compared to the last 2 years. And then the pending sale, it's same thing like the Alameda County. It's pretty much stay on the flat level. And the price and it's up for until middle of August, and then now dropping down a little bit. negative 1% compared to last year. Okay, and then the Marin County new listing is shooting up like the last year. Same thing at that time, we are shooting up and in Marin County. And then overall inventory, it's also picking up and is highest compared to last 2 years. And then the pending sale picking up since August, beginning of August. So Marine is picking up for pending sale. Price is picking up as well. Is since like July, middle of July. Now we are picking up, and but we are still lower, 2% lower than last year at the same time. Okay, and then let's look at San Francisco. Look at the new listing. It's like the record high. New listing is a record high for the year. And the active inventory, but it's lower than last 2 years, but it's been picking up, down 15% year over year. And then the pending sale shooting up too, like highest level for this year. So demand in San Francisco is picking up. Median price also picking up since August. We are 1% higher than last year. Okay, let's look at the Mateo County. The new listing is also picking up from August. And then overall inventory is actually down, but it pick up a little bit this week. We are down like 6% year over year. And then the pending sale, it's pretty much flat for the last couple of weeks, about the same as last year. And then the price is a little bit down, 1% below last year, but the trend is picking up for last couple of weeks. Okay, lastly, we look at Santa Clara. New listing slowly picking up since July, and overall inventory, it's going down, still going down the trend. It's down 9% compared to last year. And then the pending sale, it's about not much change, same as last year. And then the price picking up since middle of July. So now we are 4% higher than last year. So that's a Redfin data update. If you are in the market, make sure you follow us and then you will know the market. Okay. We'll see you next time. Thank you. Bye bye.